echo on the polished floor. A team of girls burst through the door, laughing together as the game begins. Ready to practice, ready to win. Each one holding a dream inside, but learning strength when they stand side by side. Passing the ball with a steady grace, trust reflected in every face. Playing for the same heart, moving as one, chasing their goals until the game is done. Each role matters in the rhythm of the court, lifting each other with kindness and support. Finding joy in the work they share, a team made strong by the love they bear. Da, do, do, do. Da, do, 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 da, 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 do, do, da, do. Some take the lead while others defend, each skill rising to help a friend. Sweat and practice shaping their stride, learning to balance talent with pride. Even when pressure begins to rise, they find their courage in each other's eyes. Victory grows from the way they care, from every cheer and moment shared. Playing for the same heart, moving as one, chasing their goals until the game is done. Each role matters in the rhythm of the court, lifting each other with kindness and support. Finding joy in the work they share, a team made strong by the love